Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial on revising a contour drawing with different contour settings. In this video, you will learn how to revise contour map. Suppose you have already generated a contour map with a contour interval of 0.5 meters, and later you decide to create contours with a different interval, such as 0.25 meters. This can be done in two different ways. When a contour drawing is generated, ESurvey creates drawing entities on separate layers. These layers typically include major contours, minor contours, grid lines, elevation text, other contour-related entities. If you want to regenerate the contour map with different settings, you must first remove the existing contour entities. Method 1. Using the DSL command. The DSL command allows you to delete all entities belonging to a selected layer. Using this method, you will need to run the command multiple times and remove the entities layer by layer until all contour-related objects are deleted. This method is recommended when you have made additional edits to the drawing after contour generation and want to preserve those changes. Method 2. Using the UB command. A much faster and simpler method is to use the UB command. The UB command undoes the drawing back to the last ESurvey Lisp operation. Therefore, if you run the UB command immediately after generating the contour map, all contour-related entities created during the contour generation process will be removed in a single step. However, please note that if you have performed any additional drawing modifications after contour generation, the UB command will remove those changes as well. Which method should you use? Use UB if you want to quickly return the drawing to the state it was in before contour generation. Use DSL if you have made additional modifications to the drawing and want to remove only the contour-related entities while retaining your other work. In the next video, you will learn how to generate contour maps using the ESurvey CADD interface. If you are working in the infrastructure industry, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We regularly add informative videos about infrastructure design and engineering solutions. Road InfraSuite and Water InfraSuite are very popular software solutions for infrastructure engineering. You can also book a free demonstration of the software by visiting www.esurveying.net. You may reach us through email at info@esurveying.net. You can call us on 9449599709. Thank you for watching this video.